Xiaomi accelerates vehicle deliveries with new in-stock program. Xiaomi is launching a program to speed up vehicle deliveries by selling cars already in stock. The in-stock vehicle purchase program offers three options: brand new vehicles from canceled orders, showroom display models, and pre-owned cars that have been repaired and re-inspected. This move addresses the common issue of long wait times for new electric vehicles, a growing pain point for consumers. Program details and vehicle categories. The program is divided into three tiers. Brand new vehicles. These are cars that were officially ordered but never delivered due to customer cancellations or logistical issues. This is a common practice in automotive, where manufacturers sometimes have surplus inventory. Official display vehicles. Cars previously used for showroom exhibitions are now available. Xiaomi emphasizes these vehicles undergo thorough cleaning and inspection, though minor wear may be present. Customers will receive a detailed condition report before purchase. Transparency is key here, as display cars may have cosmetic imperfections. Nearly new vehicles. These cars had minor shipping damage or other slight defects, but have been officially repaired and re-inspected. This allows Xiaomi to move inventory that would otherwise require further processing. Expedited delivery and warranty coverage. Customers who buy through this program will receive their vehicles faster than standard orders. All in-stock vehicles come with the original factory warranty and full after-sales support. Some models may also qualify for discounts, making this an attractive option for those who need a car quickly. Orders placed before December 26, 2025 are targeted for delivery by the end of the year. If delays occur, Xiaomi will compensate customers with a cross-year purchase tax subsidy. Phased rollout. Priority access for existing customers. The rollout is phased. First, existing customers who have locked orders for the Xiaomi SU7, SU7 Ultra, or YU7, but haven't received their vehicles will get priority access starting December 1, 2025. The program opens to all users on December 3, 2025. For display vehicles, Xiaomi requires customers to inspect the car in person at a delivery center within 72 hours. Failure to do so will result in automatic order cancellation. A strict but fair policy to ensure transparency and prevent disputes. This program signals a shift towards more flexible inventory management for Xiaomi Auto, acknowledging that some customers may prefer immediate availability over waiting for a new build. This strategy allows them to capitalize on existing assets while meeting immediate demand.